Hello.
Hello.
Okay, today we will have your speaking test. Ready? Okay, what's your name?
What's your name?
I am
I am
Elsa.
Elsa.
How old are you? I am
I am
3.
3.
Where are you from? I'm from
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Very good. How are you today? I am happy. Elsa. Oh, Elsa died. What color is it? Brown. Okay, this one. Green. This one. Yes. Yellow. This one. Oh. Very good. What shape is it? Square. This one. Red. Sir. Very good. Who's this? Okay, this one. Brother. This one is sister. Okay, what's this? Cook. No, this one, living room. This one, bed. Very good. What's this? Oh, hey, what's this? Cat. What's the sound? Oh, what's this? Fish. What's the sound? Globe. Boy, this one, what's this? Mouse. What's the sound? Okay, what's this? Dog. What's the sound? Okay, let's count Elsa. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Okay, so that's our speaking test. Thank you. Okay, then.